p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Flash flooding is likely occurring or will begin shortly. Nearly 4 inches of rain has been observed at an automated rain gauge in Statesville since 12:30 p.m. The combination of heavy rainfall and an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain is expected to result in flooding of low-lying areas near creeks such as Free Nancy Branch, 3rd Creek, 4th Creek, and Gregory Creek and its tributaries will be. Motorists and property owners in the area from Wallace Springs Road east to Highway 21, Buffalo Shoals Road, Shelton Avenue, Henry Drive, Gregory, areas near Holland and North Trade Streets should watch out for flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Statesville, Troutman, Lake Norman State Park, Cool Springs, and Turnersburg. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered roadways, bridges, or low-level crossings. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can carry away your vehicle. It is not worth the risk. Please turn around, don't drown. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. When it is safe to do so, please report floodwaters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets,